In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets to dashboards in Monday.com. Think of widgets as the building blocks that turn a plain dashboard into a clear, at-a-glance command center. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, open the right dashboard, add a widget, choose the one you want, and repeat the process to build out your view. First, head to Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where your boards and dashboards live. If your company uses multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace name in the sidebar so you don't accidentally add widgets in the wrong place. Signing in ensures you have access to the dashboards and the permissions to make changes. Next, look to the left side of your screen and select an existing dashboard. You'll find dashboards listed in the sidebar. Opening one will take you to its canvas. Choose the dashboard that's connected to the boards you care about, such as a team planning dashboard or a project overview. If you don't immediately see it, use the search at the top of the sidebar and type the dashboard's name. Once it opens, you're ready to start customizing. Now click Add Widget. You'll typically find this button near the top right of the dashboard, or if your dashboard is empty, you may see an option in the middle inviting you to add your first widget. If you don't see the button, you may not have edit permissions, so check with your admin or ensure you opened a dashboard where you can make changes. When the widget gallery appears, select a widget and click to add it. You'll see popular choices like charts, numbers, calendar, battery, and more. Hovering over each option usually gives you a brief description of what it does. Pick the one that best represents the information you want to highlight. After clicking, you may be prompted to choose which boards or groups the widget should pull data from. That's normal and part of confirming your selection. Just pick the relevant sources so the widget displays the right information. Finally, you can click More Widgets to select additional ones. Repeat the same process to stack multiple widgets on the same dashboard. This is how you build a balanced view, mixing visuals like charts with quick summaries like numbers. As you add widgets, focus on clarity. Choose widgets that answer the questions your team asks most, and keep the layout simple so the important information stands out. That's it. You've signed in, opened an existing dashboard, clicked Add Widget, selected your widget, and added more when needed. Enjoy your streamlined dashboard.